How to install and set up the Atorcom app on your iPhone. To register yourself and your family members, you must first give the following information to the managing agent or person authorized by the Management Council of your condo. Your name and the names of other family members whom you wish to register. Your block number or block name. Your unit number. Your mobile numbers and the mobile numbers of other family members whom you wish to register. Your email address and the email addresses of other family members whom you wish to register. Please note, each registrant must have his or her own email address. Sharing of email addresses is not recommended. For security and privacy purposes, Atorcom will only register a resident as a user of the Atorcom app after approval from the managing agent or an authorized person from the Management Council. Atorcom will provide assigned passwords to the registrants by email. Once you have received your registration confirmation and assigned password, you can start installing and setting up your Atorcom app on your iPhone by following the simple instructions here. Go to your home screen and tap on the App Store icon. Tap on Search. Type in the name Atorcom here. Tap the cloud icon. Tap Open. Tap Allow to enable Atorcom to send you notifications. Enter your username, which is the email address you gave to the managing agent. Type in your password, which we will provide to you. Tap Login. Tap on the menu icon. Tap Reset Password. Type in your new password. This password must contain at least 6 alphanumeric characters, but no capitals and no special characters. Tap on Save. Return to the menu icon and tap on it. Then the drop-down menu will appear. Tap on Logout. Tap on Yes. Log back into your Atorcom app by re-entering your username. Type in your new password. Tap Login. You will return to the main page of your Atorcom app. To complete the setup of your Atorcom app, tap on the menu icon. The drop-down menu will appear. Tap on Notification Settings. The notification menu will appear. Turn on both doorbell notification and new OTP notification. Then tap on the back arrow to return to the main page of your Atorcom app. Now go to the home screen of your phone and tap on the settings icon. Scroll down the settings page to General and tap on it. Then scroll down the general page till you see Background App Refresh and tap on it. In the Background App Refresh page, tap On for Background App Refresh. Then tap On for Atorcom. Then tap back arrow to exit Background App Refresh and return to Settings. In the Settings page, scroll all the way down the page till you find Atorcom and tap on it. In the Atorcom page, tap on Notifications. In the Notifications page, turn on Allow Notifications. Turn on Alerts on Lock Screen, Notification Center, and Banners. Tap on Banner Style and turn on Persistent. Turn on Sounds and Badges. Tap on Show Previews and Notification Groupings to ensure that they are always default and automatic. Then tap Atorcom to exit the Notifications page. In the Atorcom page, check that Banners, Sounds, Badges are displayed. Check that Background App Refresh and Mobile Data are on. Warning: Overseas Travel. If you have not subscribed to data roaming when traveling overseas, you may wish to turn mobile data off so as to avoid incurring data roaming charges. Please check your settings so that you will only receive notifications when you have access to a Wi-Fi. Turning off data roaming could mean that you may miss attempts by visitors and delivery persons to contact you. Tap in the Back Settings arrow again to exit the Atorcom page, then press your Home button to get back to your home screen. When you have returned to your home screen, tap your Atorcom app to open it. You may now use your Atorcom app to access your condo development securely.